So to get out from this place, we have to actually make a U-turn here, which is kind of gravelly place. Well, I'm empty, so I don't worry about my trailer tires. Sometimes when you loaded, you can kill them on the back, you know, because of very sharp turn. But since we don't have to deal with that, we're gonna go here and turn U-turn here on this gravel road, and that's it. Go home, go pick up another one, and ready. So this is my meal today, guys. This morning is very simple: bread with cheese on top, and it's nicely melted, and my coffee. That's it. It's not that difficult, because when you're in a remote area like this, there is no McDonald's, nothing. Now we are going to put pickup address for new load, and that's it. I gotta change my phone, guys. This is iPhone 11. I think it's too old. Started to give me problems, so 6540. So it's 100 miles from here is my new load back to Canada. Actually 116, so 2 hours drive from here. Yeah, very simple. And we're gonna go all the way